Okay, we are going to be looking at what is a RDW chart? Well, look at the chart, how it's drawn. RDW right in the middle, a big old cross section. RDW stands for read, draw, write. Okay, you're going to read the problem, draw it out, and write how you're going to fix it or answer the question. The question today is, Tony ate 7 snails. Yuck. Carol ate 12 snails. Yuck also. How many more did Carol eat? So I am going to write down, I'm going to read it and write down what it says. So Tony ate 7. So I have a 7. I'm going to put it right there. I have a 12. Ding, 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 a number. And now I also have a question. Okay? So those are the numbers I'm working with. Now I'm going to draw what it says. So Tony ate 7 snails. I'm going to draw that right here. Here's Tony, right? And he ate 7 snails. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 snails he ate. And it also says that Carol ate 12. So I'm going to write a C for Carol. I'm going to draw out hers. So 1, I'm going to put hers just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? That's all I do there. So I just draw it. Now the W is where I work it out and then I'll write my answer. So how do I want to work this out? Tony ate 7 snails, Carol ate 12 snails. How many more did Carol eat? I can use a subtraction or an addition. I think I'm going to count up on a number line. So I'm going to count up. I need to use a smaller number, which is 7. And I'm going to jump until I get to 12. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Big old circle for my answer. So I know I stopped at 12. I just need to count my jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it took me 5 jumps. That's my answer to the question, how many more did Carol eat? Now is where I write it. Carol ate 5 more than Tony. Okay? I'm going to check my answer. I did the addition one, so now I'm going to do the subtraction one. If I'm going to do the subtraction one, I have to start with the bigger number. So my bigger number here is 12. And 12 starts on this side because it is the bigger number. 12. And I'm going to count down to 7. So it's 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. I'm going to stop right there. I know what I jumped. I counted to 7. So I really don't need to fill that part in because that's where I stopped. But I do need to count my jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How did I know it was going to be the same? Because on many of the word problems, you can add or subtract. And as a matter of fact, I want to come back over here. I drew this out. This is another way I could have worked it out. I could add, subtract. I could also use this one. I can cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 from Carol's because we know Tony ate 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to circle what I have left and count what's inside there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How did I know that was going to be 5 also? So you have many different options to use. For an RDW chart, you can just organize your thoughts. That's the whole point of it. Some people might just automatically see the 2 numbers and just add them. But that's not what they asked. So when we organize our thoughts, we can, figure out what it is the question really, really wants. All right? Be sure and use that when you have word problems.